So our final segment is the rapid fire, self-explanatory. I'll ask you questions and you have to give us quick and rapid answers.
Cool.
Just like current events.
Okay.
But how many days of leave have you taken in the last year?
Oh God. Wait, it has to be quick. Maybe 30?
Okay. Did you ever question whether it was worth it?
Yeah, and I did. It was great.
Weirdest place from where you have worked?
Mt Titlis in Switzerland.
Okay.
I've answered emails on top of Mt Titlis.
Your proudest moment with Leogirl Productions?
The day we did the Google campaign and our first Nika campaign. That was the first big brand I got. Yeah.
Okay. What was the one time you felt like you let Leogirl Productions down?
Last year actually, because I feel like I got a little too choosy with what we were doing, and I realized I should just say yes to more things and figure out how it'll happen along the way, because some people don't knock twice, like when they knock once, you have to take it then. And because you read a lot of this stuff about, it's also about what you say no to, and I took that too seriously, I feel like, in 2023, and then I was like, listen, you can't do that. Like, you have to take everything that comes your way, and that is my mantra for 2024. Just say yes to everything, figure it out later. How will you do it? Like that.
One company that you really want to work with?
Facebook or Instagram.
Yeah.
Which is the same thing
Yeah,
now?
Meta.
Yeah. Meta, yeah.
What is the scrappiest thing that you've done to build your business?
Everything. I feel like I've picked up equipment and I've picked up sofas and tables and I've placed them on stages and I've done all that. Like, I've done all the physically laborious things you can think of. Yeah. Which I don't know if it's jugadu, but I was like, if I can save on getting two people to do paid, like if I can save on paying two people to do this, I'll just do it myself.
Yeah.
Like,
100%.
Yeah.
Your emotion when you were recognized as the top 100 women transforming India?
Disbelief and imposter syndrome.
You talk like a true entrepreneur. What did you do with your first profit?
Probably ate something at a nice restaurant and didn't care about the bill. Yeah.
I think so far we've got only two answers, right? Which is either eat a fancy meal or
Put it back in the company.
Put back in the company.
Yeah.
Right.
We've done this question I think at least 5-6 times now. Those are the only two answers.
Yeah. What else will you do? Also, you don't want to spend that much of it. I think so. I think we are, because of what are you expecting? Like, we went on a night on the town and all that. None of that. I think it's like, let's go eat somewhere nice and celebrate.
Yeah. Which is also like not that massive of an expense when you consider.
Yeah. I probably put the rest back.
Yeah.
Probably.
So
I don't even remember.
Like a nice meal equals putting it back.
Yeah.
Which hobby of yours did your work kill?
Oh God, this will just get depressing. I still really enjoy dancing, which I think I really stopped, and I restarted doing it.
Yeah.
It's really funny because I have an Apple Watch, right, and you have some other friends who are on the watch with you, and they're like, have you joined a dance class? Because we get like dance notifications. I'm like, oh, I'm just dancing in my room, but I switch on the dancing thing anyway as though it's a workout, because I realize I will not have time to go and go down to some class. I'm just going to dance in my room for 40 minutes, and it's a workout. It's not bad.
Is on YouTube?
Yeah. I find a couple of the YouTube ones. I just make up my own choreography. I used to dance like with groups and stuff, so I can do choreography. So that really got killed. I think the general stress of achievement and all that just killed one of those things, because it was like, it's 30 minutes to go to the class, then it's 30 minutes before that to change. Then so basically you've lost 2.5 hours of your day, so forget it, right?
Yeah.
And that was really something that brought me joy. So
Books or podcasts?
books.
iPad or notebook?
Notebook.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Morning person.
And your favorite social media platform?
It's currently deleted, but Instagram.
Fair enough. But yeah, that concludes the rapid fire segment.